Hello everyone, I'm ANAGHA KRISHNA, team leader of batch C7. My teammates are VAMSHI KRISHNA and SHIVA KUMAR. Our project title is Malware Detection, a framework for reverse engineered Android applications through machine learning algorithms. We have done this project under the guidance of Mr. Sharif Sir, Assistant Professor of CSE AI and ML Department. In this video, I am going to share the execution process of our project. Now let us go to the location where we have stored our project. This is the location where we have stored the project, but before starting the execution process, we need to start the XAMPP server. In the XAMPP server, we need to start the Apache and MySQL modules. Now they are started. Now let us proceed with the execution in the command prompt. Now for the execution process, first we need to enter a command called as python space manage.py space run server. This is the command for execution initialization. So the project is now getting executed. Now let us copy the hyperlink. Let us paste the link in the browser. This is the page for our project malware detection, a framework for reverse engineered Android applications. Now let us register for a new user in the web page. So let us enter all the details required. Now I have entered all the details that are required for registration. So let us register. So here we can see that the user is registered successfully. Now let us go to the remote user and enter the details that we have entered before. These are the details that we have to provide. Now let us log in. So this is the page for user, and in this page we have malware prediction and viewing the profile, and we can log out. So these are the details that we have provided in the register page, and these are now here updated. So now let us predict the malware. So these are the details that we have to enter in order to predict the malware in the Android application. So in order to do that, we need to take the data set. So this is the data set that we have used for our project. So let us take the details from here and paste it in the web page. So let us copy the details here and paste it in the page. Let us enter the app details. So let us predict the malware. So now the app has predicted whether it is having any kind of malware or not. So for the before data that we have entered, it is having no malware in it. So this is the duty of the user. So now let us go to the service provider page. Now let us log in into the service provider account and predict what he can do. Now I have entered the password and username for the service provider and I am logging in. So here in the service provider page, first of all, the service provider can view all the remote users that are present in the framework. So these are all the users that are present in our frame in this particular framework. So now let us browse these app datasets and train and test them using multiple algorithms like support vector machine, random forest classifier, decision tree classifier, naive bayes, and other algorithms. So let us wait. In this particular command prompt, we can see the accuracy report and the confusion matrix. So it takes a little time for the execution process for browsing and training and testing them. So let us see. So in this particular web page, the service provider can browse these app datasets, train and test them, and also view all the apps train and tested accuracy in the form of bar chart. And we can also view the mobile apps trained and tested accuracy results through some ratios. And we can also view the malware prediction type that we have stored in the remote user. Whatever we have predicted in the remote user page, it is also updated in the service provider page also. And we can also we can also view the malware prediction ratio. We can also download the predicted data sets, and also we can see the results in the form of a line chart and bar chart, which we will see in the further 5 to 6 minutes. So these are the accuracies for various algorithms that we have used in our project. For naive Bayes, the accuracy is 70%. For support vector machine, the accuracy is 74%. For logistic regression algorithm, the accuracy is 72%. For decision tree classifier, it is 77%. For SGD classifier, it is 73%. And random forest classifier has the highest accuracy of 79% because it has an ensembling and bagging methodology of collecting multiple features, and it also collects multiple features from the data set, and it has a highest accuracy in our project. So let us view the accuracy in the form of a bar chart too. So these are the various algorithms representation in the form of bar chart. So we can see naive Bayes is having 70%, SVM is having 74%, logistic regression is having 72% of accuracy, decision tree classifier is having 77% of accuracy, SGD classifier of 73% accuracy, and random forest classifier of highest percentage 79. And also we can view the mobile apps trained and tested results in the form of a pie chart and line chart. So this is the representation in a line chart, and in the form of a pie chart it is represented like this of various algorithms. And coming to the malware prediction type, these are the details that we have so far collected and stored. These contains of app names, categories, whatever the reviews that have been given in the application, and the size of the app, number of installations that have been taken place, the type of the app, price of the app, and the content rating that has been given, means whoever can comment on this particular application, and the genre, and the last updated time, or lastly updated version of this particular application, and the current version that is being used, that is being in use, and the Android version that is required to install in any kind of mobile phone or any kind of gadget. And this is the prediction column. So these are the mobile app prediction type details. And let us see the malware prediction ratios. So we have for no malware, we are having 63% of the samples are of no malware, and 36 percentage of the uh, uh, values are of malware, and we have detected the malware. And we can also download the predicted data sets so far. Yes. So these are the entries that we have so far uh, predicted as malware or not. We can also download them. And these are the malware prediction ratio results. 63% contains of no malware, and 36% has malware. This is the line chart representation, and this is the pie chart representation. So these are all the remote users that the service provider can view, and he can talk about. So this is all about my project. Thank you.